Learn with Chef Elite. 5 egg marinades that you can make in just 30 minutes.
We're done with chicken, pork, beef, fish, shrimp marinades.
Next time, egg marinades. Kung naka-high protein diet ka, perfecto. First, Pinoy adobo. Soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, water, garlic, dried bay leaves, and black pepper. Ito trending online, Korean mayak eggs. Soy sauce, water, sesame oil, brown sugar, garlic, leeks. Don't forget the sesame seeds. Next, Thai style. Water, fish sauce, brown sugar, tamarind paste, cilantro, use fried eggs. Korean gochujang. Mirin, sesame oil, water, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, of course, the Korean gochujang. Lastly, Chinese tea eggs. Chinese tea, warm water, brown sugar, 5 spice, add all the aromatics. I recommend to soak it for 4 hours or up to 3 days for best flavors. Tapos, for best results, soft to medium boiled eggs. Reminder, you can always experiment your marinades because taste is always subjective. Play with flavors.
You can use any sealed bag or any sealed containers. Ang dali lang, di ba? Kaya kung ako sa'yo, isend mo to sa friend mo. Good for 1 week na ulit.